respected teacher, and my dear friends, today I am going to tell you few words on occasion of our Independence Day. On 16 August 1947, our nation got freedom from British government, who were ruling on India almost for 150 years. Too many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our British rule. Some of them were too young. For example, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. Mahatma Gandhi and Lokmanya Tilak rendered their lives to address Indian citizens for nation freedom fight. Homage is paid to those who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. After the Prime Minister's speech, the function comes to an end with the recital of our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, and the crowd begins to melt away. The Independence Day reminds all of those patriots who fought and suffered to win freedom for us. On this occasion, I request all of you to live peacefully under one religion, that is humanity. I would like to thank all of you for listening my speech in full attention. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Very good. Congratulations. अनुष्का लोंढे. यानंतर माननीय मुख्याध्यापक श्री